Hello students, today we are going to complete class 4 Social Studies chapter 4 India and its neighbors. Exercises, questions, answer. Let's start. Match the pictures to the states. Match first one with Mizoram. Second, Idli Vada with Tamil Nadu. Third, Rajasthan. And fourth, Rasagulla with West Bengal. Question 1. In what way are the people of India united? Answer. Indians are united by their shared values and by the feeling that they belong to one country. Question number 2. Tell about India's neighbors. Answer. India's neighbors include Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. Choose the correct options. First, this is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Tick B. Raipur. Second, this is a state in the northeastern part of India. Tick C. Nagaland. Third, this country lies to the east of India. Tick D. Myanmar. Fill in the blanks. India has 8 union territories. Second, on the basis of the physical features, India can be divided into 5 regions. Third, India lies in the southern part of Asia. Fourth, Nepal is to the northeast of India. Next, match the words in the two columns. Gujarat, match it with Gandhinagar. Second, Karnataka, match it with Bengaluru. Third, Kerala, match it with Tiruvananthapuram. Next, Himachal Pradesh, match it with Simla. Fifth, Odisha, match it with Bhubaneswar. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Describe unity in diversity in India. Answer. The people of India speak a variety of languages, practice different religions, dress in different ways, and eat different kinds of food. In spite of this diversity, all Indians are one. Thus, there is unity in diversity in India. Question number 2. Name the physical regions of India. Answer. On the basis of physical features, India can be divided into 5 main regions. First, the northern mountains. Second, the northern plains. Third, the Thar Desert. Fourth, the peninsular plateau. Fifth, the coastal plains and islands. Question number 3. Name two of India's neighboring countries that lie in the Indian Ocean. Answer. Two neighboring countries that lies in the Indian Ocean are: first, Sri Lanka is an island country to the southeast of India. Second, the Maldives is a group of islands which lies to the southwest of India in the Indian Ocean. Thank you.